Mathematics class for 9, and today we are doing drawing irrational number on the number line. So let's start. Question is, locate root 3 on the number line. In previous video I told you how you will draw root 2 on the number line, and now we will draw root 3 on the number line. Okay, so this is your number line. We need root 3 on the number line. So just look, if you have a right angle triangle, when we draw root 2 on the number line, we make this one 1, this one 1, then you get this line root 2. Okay, then you keep compass here, you take an arc, so this one A, B, C. AB root 2. Okay, AB, this whole root 2. And again we will draw 1 centimeter long line here, and we will join this point to this point. Okay, this is your root 2, this is your 1. So this is point D. When you apply Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABD, here right angle B equals to 90 degree. Okay, so this you will write AB square equals to AB square hypotenuse square equals to base square plus perpendicular square BD square. We will put value AB root 2 whole square plus this is BD 1 square, so root 2 whole square 2, root 2 whole square means root 2 into root 2, so this will be 2 plus 1, and here will be 3. AD square equals to 3, so AD equals to root 3. Okay, that's calculation. So for drawing root 3, first you need root 2. You have to draw root 2 first. Okay, so we are taking a point here, suppose this is O, and we are taking 1 centimeter like that. This should be at exact 1 centimeter, 1 unit or 1 centimeter. Generally we say 1 unit, but you have to, when you will draw line, you have to take 1 centimeter. This should be 1 centimeter, and this one also 1 centimeter. O, A, and this one B. Okay. Perpendicular line you have to draw. How much this one? Same should be this also. Okay, then join point O and B. Join. Getting? Then keep needle here. Keep needle at O and pencil at B. Draw an arc. You will get arc like that. Okay, that point is C. So OC represent root 2. In previous video I told you about that one. You can see one more time this one. Well, you can't draw directly root 3. We need first root 2, after that we will draw. So how we will write? In triangle OAB. OA and perpendicular to each other, so this angle of 90. In triangle OAB, angle OAB equals to 90. This angle of 90. This one a right angle triangle. So right angle triangle at A. So you can apply Pythagoras theorem here by Pythagoras theorem. What we will do? Square of hypotenuse. So what is your hypotenuse? Opposite side of 90 degree. That's OB. यहाँ पे आप खड़े होंगे तो opposite में आपको OB दिखेगा. That's hypotenuse. OB. Hypotenuse square equals to base square OA square plus AB square. AB square. Okay. So OA, you taken this one 1 unit and this also 1 square. Okay. 1 square. B square equals to 2. But we need value of OB. This one here OB. But this one not on the number line. So you have to draw arc. If you complete this one, so you get a circle. And this one will be radius of circle, this one will be radius of circle. So you know that radii of same circle are equal. So this OC and OB will be equal. So OB equals to √2. In detail you want to do, so you will do like that. √2, then root here. OB equals to √2. And you are looking here OB and OC equal. So OB equal to OC equals to √2. So OC equals to √2. So on the number line, this is point C. Point C locate √2. OC equals to √2 and point C representing √2 on the number line. This one your number line, other name of this one real number line. Why we say real number line? Because rational number and irrational number combinedly called real number. So we can draw rational number on the number line and irrational number on the number line. Okay, we done √2. Now we have to draw √3 on the number line. So with same, you have to start next procedure. OC equals to from here to here. This one √2. Okay. So we need 1 unit here or 1 centimeter exactly you have to take. This perpendicular line, vertical line should be 1 centimeter. You can't take more than 1 centimeter this one. Okay, this one 1 centimeter. This is your point D. Now join point D and point O. Carefully you have to do this work. CD should be 1 centimeter, 1 unit, and we will take this one 1 centimeter, exactly 1 centimeter. Okay, then join OD. OD. Same procedure what you done in for √2, same you have to use here. This is point D, this is point O, you have to join both. Now, what you will do? Keep your compass needle at O and measure OD. If you will complete this hole, you get a circle. So for that, O is center and OD radius. OD represent √3. But this one not on the number line. Okay? You have to keep your needle at O and pencil at D, and then you will draw an arc. Up to where? Up to this number line. So you will get another arc that will be like that. Okay? This is your point E. This point E. So earlier I told you by calculation this one. So look what point E will represent. It will represent root 3. Look how. We will take this triangle. In triangle OCD. OCD. This OC perpendicular to CD or CD perpendicular to OC. So angle OCD equals to 90 degree. Okay, this one 90 degree OCD, right angle triangle. So we can apply Pythagoras theorem here by Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square. If this one 90, so what will be hypotenuse? OD square. OD square equals to OC. OC square plus square, sum of square of other two sides. So other two sides are OC and CD. CD square. Okay, you know OC equals to root 2. OC equals to root 2. Root 2 square plus CD. CD, this one also 1 centimeter. So 1 square. Getting? After that, OD square as it. So what we will write? OD square equals to root 2 whole square. So this one will be root 2 into root 2. So you can write equals to 2. So 2 here, 1 square equals to 1. 1 square equals to 1. So here you will write 1 and it will be 3. OD square equals to 3, but we need OD equals to root 3. Okay, but you are looking OD. How much OD? Same OC. Both are equal in measurement. Radii of same circle. If you complete this whole, so you will get a circle. So OD and OC will be, sorry, OC not, OC here, OD and OE. OE will be equal. So we can write OD equals to OE. So both will be equal. So root 3. So OE represent root 3 and this point E represent root 3 on the number line. Again, here point C represent root 2 on the number line and point E represent root 3 on the number line. OE. OE equals to root 3. Like that, again we will draw 1 centimeter line here and we will join this to this. So you will get root 4 and root 4 equals to 2. And after that same way you will get root 5, root 6, root 7. So continuously we have to repeat these steps. Okay, first you have to draw root 2 on the number line and where you are getting root 2 from that point draw 1 centimeter long line. Then you will join this to this and you have to draw an arc. First you will draw figure, and with this figure you have to do this one also. Okay. So same way you will also draw root 3